Find the derivative of g of t equals 3t plus 5 over 2t plus 6. Then evaluate g prime of negative 4. G of t here is made up of the quotient, the division, of two different expressions, 3t plus 5 divided by or over 2t plus 6. We don't have a single term in the denominator, so we can't take the quotient directly. We definitely need to use the quotient rule here for our derivative. G prime of t, the derivative for the quotient rule, will be the derivative of the numerator, derivative of 3t, constant times t will give us the constant 3. The derivative of 5 will be a 0, times the denominator left alone, and then minus the numerator left alone, times the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of 2t is a 2. The derivative of the 6 will be a 0, all over the denominator squared. In the numerator, we're going to want to distribute the 3. 3 times 2t is 6t. 3 times a positive 6 is a positive 18. And then the minus and the 2, be careful with that, the minus is going to go with it. So minus 2 times 3t is a minus 6t. And a minus 2 times the positive 5 is a minus 10. All over the denominator squared. Combined like terms in the numerator, we have a positive 6t and a negative 6t. Those can cancel. And an 18 minus an 8, which will give us a positive 8 over 2t plus 6 quantity squared. So there's our derivative. The next thing we want to do is evaluate g prime of negative 4. G prime of negative 4 means to plug a negative 4 in for each of the t's. So we'll have 8 over 2 times negative 4 plus 6 quantity squared. 8 over 2 times a negative 4 is a negative 8 plus 6 quantity squared. Negative 8 plus 6 is a negative 2. So 8 divided by negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2, which is a positive 4. 8 over 4, 4 divides into 8, 2 times, we end up with 2.